Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks to the miracle of the internet, snagged me this Scotsman's ice maker today, and it's a little dirty. The owner complained that it was making too much noise and it's very loud. So we're gonna do what we can to patch her up and see if we can make some ice for our ice plunge. All right, more to come. Conclusion of the Scotsman's ice maker experience. So it didn't want to make ice when we first plugged it in, and we figured out why. So we did a thorough cleaning and we opened up the protective grates and cleaned out the condenser coils, and so it was able to read, and now it's making ice like a champ. Look over here, that's from yesterday. I don't know if that's 60 pounds, but it's a good amount of ice. So pretty happy with it. If you have the means, highly recommend getting one. These things are pretty awesome. And I hope this helps you. Alright, good luck. Bye-bye.